John from Baker Boy here. I have another product I want to share to you. This is our Little Johns Baker Boy product. It's a little item that we usually use these in schools. We do all kinds of catering. One thing I wanted to do with it is I want to go ahead and let's fill these and make like a little donut treat type thing. So what I like to do here is I just take my knife and I cut a little hole in it and I push that down so that when you get that ready, we can go ahead and ice these up and fill them. And I'm going to fill them with fillings here, but I've also used crab salad. You can do all kinds of other little fillings that you want to use to make like an hors d'oeuvre instead of a sweet product. It's whatever you want to do. So go ahead and cut your little holes just like that. Get them down in there. Okay. And then when I do, we've got our Baker Boy maple donut icing. Got this all ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and just dip these in there and ready to go like that. Go ahead and stick them in there. We're going to frost them, and you will see that the icing will kind of go down in there so that when we go to fill them, we'll have our product all ready to go. Maple is usually what I use, and chocolate, because if you're going to do any kind of an hors d'oeuvre or any kind of a special product like that, you want to make sure your icings and everything, kind of blend with each other. Then after you get your Little Johns frosted, go ahead and we're going to put that in there, and we have a nice little product here. And again, if you guys have any questions, comments, any of that kind of stuff, go ahead and just feel free to get a hold of us on bakerboy.com.